Right, and in related news, for the first time in more than a decade, the European Central Bank is looking to raise its key interest rate. Our Seung-jae has more on the plan ahead.
Amid soaring inflation, the European Central Bank is set to raise its key interest rates for the first time in 11 years. The decision, which is set to be made later this week, was previously hinted at by the ECB chief last month.
As the Governing Council concluded that the conditions underlying our forward guidance have been satisfied, we intend to raise the key ECB interest rates by 25 basis points at our July monetary policy meeting.
However, Lagarde said later that a quarter-point hike would be the intention, while cautioning that no decision had been made. Market experts also believe that current economic conditions show that a 25 basis point would not be enough to tame inflation, and instead, a so-called big step should be made.
The ECB should do more than markets expect. The market expects 0.25 percentage points, whereas the ECB should make it 0.5%. The message must be, we have understood that there is inflation and that we must do something against it. I'm afraid it's only going to be 0.25 points.
Despite calls for a 50 basis point rate hike by many market experts, ECB officials dismissed the prospect of starting interest rate hikes with a half-point move this week. However, others say that with inflation continuing to surge and the euro continuously falling against the US dollar, another rate hike later this year would be inevitable. Seung-jae, Arirang News.